Okay, so hello guys, welcome back to my another video. So this is Python tutorial video number 3. Okay, there is no practice set of assignments because it is a very basic and very easy thing. So let's start. Okay, so first is for today's topic is that we will discuss how to give input and how to what are the types of the strings. Okay, typecasting. Okay, typecasting and string functions. Okay, so first we will discuss string functions. Okay, so there are many types of functions in string. Let's say there is a variable name and the value of name is Stavya. Okay, now I am printing the statement len. Okay, len is the short form for length. Okay, I am printing the length of name. Okay, so length of name will be, because always the first letter starts with index number 0. Okay, so S is 0, T is 1, A is 2, V is 3, Y is 4 and A is 5. So this will print here 5. Okay, and here, wait a minute. Okay, now print name capitalize. This will capitalize the first letter of the name. Okay, and name.find A. This will find whether there is A in the variable name. Okay, Stavya, is there any A? Yes, there is. So here it will print true. Okay, so let's run it. Now you can see 6. Okay, so length of name 6. Okay, as it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so they are also counting this. Okay, so print length of name is 6. Now name capitalize, so it will capitalize the first letter of A, name. Okay, so the first letter of name is S. Here S is capitalized, so capital S, and then name.find A. Okay, there are 2 A in the name Stavya. Okay, so hence here it is written 2. And then upper, name.upper means write this whole string into uppercase. This will capitalize all the letters in this word. Okay, so all the letters are capitalized. And then lower, all the letters are like normal. Okay, there are no letter is capitalized. Okay, all are just normal letters. So here, and then name dot isdigit. Okay, there is nothing here, so this is a blank, but in this string there is nothing blank. Okay, so there is given false. Okay, after that name.count s, there is only one s, hence 1. And then name.isalpha, only this. Okay, so we will discuss these both later. Okay, so let's see, print name.replace. Okay, so here this will replace A with T. Okay, so here here is A, this will be replaced with T, and this A also will be replaced with T, hence STTVYT. Okay, after that name star 3, this means write print name 3 times. Okay, so here you can see Stavya, then Stavya, then Stavya 3 times. Okay, okay, so print name star 3 gives us the name times 3. Okay, so it will print Stavya 3 times. Okay, and now a name dot isdigit. This means, is this name a digit? And Stavya is a string, it is not any digit, it doesn't contain any digits, it's only alphabets. Okay, so here will be written false. Okay, and then is alpha, this means, is name all alphabetical? Then this is true because it is all alphabetical, but if I add a space here, then it will written false. See, here it is false. So I hope that you understand the string functions. Okay, types of string functions. Now let's come to typecasting. Okay, now typecasting. Wait a minute. Okay. What is typecasting? Typecasting is the like we can say typecasting is converting a data type of value to another data type. This means that if a value is an integer, so we can convert it in float or string. Okay, that we also discussed in our previous classes. Okay, previous videos. Now let I say that variable x is equal to 1. Okay, variable x is equal to 1. Then this variable x that is equal to 1 is int. Y is equal to 2.0. Okay, yeah, this is an integer because 0.0 doesn't make any sense, but because of it is containing point, this means that this is a float. Okay, and then double column 3 is a string. Okay, now y x is equal to int y is equal to int y, z is equal to int z. Okay, this means that we are converting x into int. Okay, yani that means we are converting x into an integer. So x is an integer, it is already an integer, so it doesn't needs to be converted into an integer. Okay, x will remain as 1 only, and y will be converted into 2, while y will this will print 2. Okay, z will be converted into 3. Okay, so this will print 3. Now x convert to float, y convert to float, z convert to float. Okay, and now let's see this. See, wait a minute. Okay, now see, because I did select and run, that's why it was throwing error. So never just select and run, because it will run only that part of code that you have selected. Like if I select this and then run, then it will run only this piece of code, it will not run a full code. Okay, so now we converted x to int, y to int, z to int. Okay, so all of this was converted into integer, and then it was converted into float, so 0.0, and then it was converted into string. Okay, so these are a string. Okay, and if we type here type, then this will be in string. Okay, and now let me comment this out, and now see this is an integer. So because of this is an integer, now z is also converted into an integer here. Okay, that is a string, it is now converted into an integer, and because now it is an integer, so it can perform the functions of maths. Okay, so it can add, multiply or divide or subtract. Okay, hence it is now multiplying, so 3 times 3 is 9, and because of this float conversion, it is in 0.0. Okay, I hope that you understood this. Oh, leave it. And I just have to comment it. And now let's uncomment it. Okay. Oh wait, yeah. So there are some functions that we can do in maths operation that we do in math. Okay, so if you want to compare anything, I have told you that you can use equal to. Okay, to add you can use add symbol, to multiply you can use this. And one more thing, that sometimes we do like this, like 2/3. Okay, and then we give a bracket here, and whole multiplied by 8, and then again giving a bracket here. So you have to give a bracket. Okay, if you don't give a bracket and simply divide it by 6, then it will say that all of this is not divided by 6, only 8 is divided by 6. Okay, this is not divided by 6, only 8 and 8 is divided by 6. Okay, so this will and now if I divide it by 9, so what it is going to say now is that it is going to say that what I did now is I just write 2 divided by 3 multiplied by 8 divided by 6 and whole divided by 9. Okay, and if we just did this, so it was just going, if we didn't put these brackets here, okay, so it will think like that 2 divided by 3 times 8 divided by 6 divided by 9. Okay, and this is also equal to like 2 divided by 3 times 8 divided by 6 times 1 by 9. Okay, so these all will be multiplied, this all and this all will be multiplied, so it will not be like this, the answer will be different. Okay, so now if we run this thing, okay, let me import math IO. No, let me do here print and then this and then this, and now it must be running. Wait a minute, why is it running? Okay, import math. Now PS read line. Okay, we have to import this thing to run. I think that it is not taking. Yeah, okay, it is done. Just completed this because of import math. Now let me erase this and then run again. See here the answer. You can see the answer. This is the answer of our this calculation. Okay, so it is just giving us the answer. So this means, and now see, this is the answer, this is the previous answer. Let me copy it and let me paste it here, and now if I remove all these brackets, then see what will happen. If I remove all these brackets, then now see what will happen. If I run this, in this case it is same, but many times it is not same. Let's say I gave here plus, okay, and now I just run it, and this is 6, okay, and then I did this, then I did this, and then I did this and this. Okay, this after going so further this. Okay, so here the answer is 6. Okay, in this without bracket it was 6. Okay, and let's see in this case what is it. Oh, it is coming same. Okay, there are some exceptional cases where it is coming same. I don't know why, but many times it is different. Okay, so that's why we sometimes use other things. Okay, now let's talk about input, the main topic. Okay, so let me say I made a variable name. Okay, so I said name is equal to input. This means that I am asking for the user to input, means give the answer. What is your name? This is a string. Okay, after the string is done, then there will come an input. So if you want a new line, so you can just type \n. Okay, \n. If you want a new line, you can just type \n like this. Okay, for a new line comment. Okay, Now what is your name? So if I run this, see, what is your name? And then I have to give input here. My name is Stavya. Okay, and I gave enter. How old are you? Okay, now it is asking how old are you. So I say that I am 22. How tall are you? I say that I am 56. See, you are 22 years old. You are 56 centimeters tall. Hello, Stavya. You are okay. So what is it doing? That it is taking an input from me that I am typing in the terminal, and then it is saving that input. Oops. Wait a minute. Let me open it again. No problem. Okay. After that, it is taking the input. After that, it is storing this input that I gave the answer into this variable, as the variable is storing my answer. Okay, so my name is equal to Stavya, that I enter Stavya. If I entered hello, then my name will be hello. Hello will be stored in this variable. Okay, and then age, age was stored by 22, height 56. Okay, and now this said print, then a string hello plus variable name contain my name Stavya. Okay, after that print you are, then string. Okay, then it is going in a string because we can add string to string, we cannot add string plus. Okay, I told it in previous videos. Okay, so like this, str, okay, string for string, str for string, and then age. Okay, so hello Stavya, you are this 22 years old, and then you are this centimeter tall. Okay, so this was the basic this function, or you can say a basic code. So from now we have learned how to take input, okay, and how to give the answers. Okay, so in next video I will provide some questions for this input and this stuff, and you all have to answer it in comment. So please make sure that you have watched all the previous videos, and also make sure to like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.